Welcome back to Eid Makeup tutorial. Smoky festive glam, perfect for Eid. As usual, I always start with eyeshadow when I do smoky makeup, using some concealer as eyeshadow primer. I also like to set the concealer with some powder, and now I'm grabbing the Too Faced Italian Spritz palette and using a peachy beige shade all over my crease, and then I will use this dark navy blue shade from the Lola Cosmetics palette and I will just blend it all over my lids, and then I will use the flat brush to use the same eyeshadow and pack it all over my crease and blend out the edges so that I don't have any harsh line. And now I'm grabbing a navy blue shimmer from the Too Faced palette and packing it with my fingers all over my crease. I will use a black shimmer on top of the blue one to make it look very midnight blue shade. Cleaning up the edges just makes the whole look more nice and sharp. So before eyeliner, I will draw a smoky wing with black eyeshadow. Using a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush, I will blend everything so that there is no harsh line between my eyeshadow and the shimmers. Retouching the black shimmer to maintain the depth. I have applied some eyeliner. Applying kajal on my waterline is probably my favorite thing about smoky eye makeups. Just look how good it looks and I just love it. And now I'm moving on to my base. I'm starting with this full coverage foundation of Juvia's Place and I'm applying it all over my face. I just like to keep it very full coverage when I do Eid makeup because we want a very airbrush base for pictures. As I want a flawless base, even though I'm using a full coverage foundation, I don't use a lot of it. Just use as little as possible so that it doesn't get heavy and just cakey, And I'm color correcting on the areas I have uneven skin tone. This concealer shade is my exact skin tone. You can also do this step before foundation, and of course if your foundation shade is lighter than your skin tone. I'm just highlighting the under eyes. Setting everything with a loose powder and a powder puff. And I will definitely bake on Eid day. Using a bronzer to contour my face and also warming it up. Y'all can judge me, but I'm very passionate about my nose contour because I feel like it's a skill. So yeah. Okay, so let's complete the eyeshadow. I'm using the black eyeshadow and just applying it using a flat brush, smudging it with the kajal on my waterline. And now I'm just finishing the whole look using some mascara on my bottom lashes. I filmed the lip combo tutorial for Instagram and TikTok. Probably will post on YouTube Shorts as well, so you can check it out later. And I'm just adding a little touch of blush, a pink blush. Honestly want this makeup to look very matte, so I'm not using any highlighter, only a little highlighter on my nose to just make the nose contour look good, and some on my chin, and yeah, that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.